Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. Today, I am super pumped to introduce you to the 13 PCS Makeup Brushes Cosmetic Full Set. This complete set comes in 3 beautiful colors and is the ultimate makeup toolkit for all you beauty enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or just someone who loves experimenting with different looks, this set has got you covered. The soft hair of these brushes ensures a smooth and flawless application, while the different brush shapes and sizes make it perfect for applying foundation, blending eyeshadow, and creating those perfect contours. The high-quality materials and craftsmanship make these brushes a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Not only are these brushes fabulous for creating stunning makeup looks, but they are also incredibly durable and easy to clean, ensuring that they will be a long-lasting addition to your collection. So, if you're ready to take your makeup game to the next level, I highly recommend getting your hands on this 13 PCS Makeup Brushes Cosmetic Full Set. Click the link in the description to purchase yours today and unleash your inner artist.